So, hi guys, now we'll look into how to install a different theme on your website. Themes are responsible for the appearance of your website. For an example, I have loaded up one of the posts that we created in the previous tutorial. Let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. From here, you have to go to Appearance, then Themes. These are the themes that are appearing to you right away on the screen. But if you want more options, you can click on Add New. Now, most of the themes that you will see here would be free or freemium themes, but if you have purchased a theme, you will have to upload it manually from here, upload theme, choose a file, it will be in .zip format, and then upload the file and the theme will be applied. But for now, we'll choose another free theme, let's say this one, and we'll have to activate the theme. So now our site would look like something like this. Let's refresh this. And as you can see, we have applied different theme to our website. That's it for how to change themes on a WordPress blog.